Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great holiday. I definitely did. I was planning on going to CVS on the 24th, but my store was closed. So I'm here on the 26th and my store is marked 50% off for all the Christmas clearance, including toys. I'm gonna wait till it goes 75% to shop because it's just a better deal, and I know my area and I know that a lot of it will still be left. If you guys are on the hunt for Christmas stuff, make sure you guys are not only looking in the Christmas aisle and on end caps, but also up high. They have a lot of different Christmas displays on the top of the shelves as well. That's like prime real estate for all the holiday stuff, so make sure you guys check that out. In a week or so, it should be at 75%. It looks like stores no longer do 90. They just send it back and reuse it for next year. I also saw that all of the Thanksgiving stuff was also already at 75%, so check that out. First up this week, we have a spend 20, get a $5 extra care bug promotion on various items. I'm going to do a deal using an OTC network coupon again this week. If you guys have not already used those, you can definitely use those and get a pretty decent deal this week on a $13.49 P&G laundry item and a $6.99 P&G laundry item. I decided to pick out the Tide Pods that are $13.49 on sale, and then one of the $6.99 Downy liquids. But you could also swap out the $13.49 Tide Pods for the larger 103 ounce $13.49 Downy liquid as well, that we also have a $5 OTC coupon network coupon for. So those two items total you $20.48. So that's perfect for the spend 20, get 5. For coupons, you're first going to use a $1 digital coupon for the smaller $6.99 Downy, and then you're going to go to the P&G website and you're going to click on the coupons tab and then click on digital coupons, and there you'll be able to load OTC coupon network coupons to your phone number account. Once you load them to your account, you're going to enter in your phone number and it sends a link to your phone. In store, you're going to click on that link and select CVS, and then it'll populate a barcode. Now that barcode is going to be scanned at the very end of your transaction after all coupons come off, and the CVS employee at checkout is going to press the gift card or CVS money card option on their screen, and then they're going to scan that barcode and enter in the coupon month year expiration date. So for these coupons it would be January 2024, and then it's going to come off just like a CVS gift card comes off. It does make sure that there's an item in your transaction that it can attach to, so you can't just buy anything and expect the OTC network coupons to come off. You have to buy the correct item. It does check. Now the thing with OTC network coupons is it only looks for remaining balance for items. It doesn't look if a coupon was already used on the item. So theoretically, if you do have digital coupons clipped for an item and you also have an OTC network coupon, both should come off. So I know there also is a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pods as well. So if you do clip that, that's going to come off first with the $1 digital for the Downy. You should be left to pay $16.48, and then you're going to clip that $5 OTC network coupon and scan that at the register for the Tide Pods, and that should take off $5, leaving you to pay just $11.48, earning back your $5 extra buck, making your final cost just $6.48 for both P&G laundry items, which is a really good deal. When I first discovered that OTC network coupons and digital coupons stacked together like that, it was actually not intentional. I wanted to use my OTC network coupons, but I also had a digital clipped for another item that was also attaching to that OTC network coupon item. And since the digitals come off before the OTC network coupons come off, since the gift cards are applied at the very end of the transaction after all other coupons come off, I noticed my digitals came off and I was like, oh crap, are my OTC network coupons also going to come off? And they did. So basically how OTC network works is it looks for any remaining dollar balance on a qualifying item. So since the item is $13.49, $13.49 minus $3 is $10.49 for the Tide Pods, and there's still enough dollar value there, being $10.49 above the OTC network coupon value of $5. Therefore, the full $5 OTC network coupon applies like a gift card. So I hope that it kind of helps explain how the OTC network coupons work. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, but this deal should work out perfectly for you. And if you guys do want to get access to the OTC coupon network coupons from pggoodeveryday.com, you guys can sign up with the link in the description box down below or in the pinned comment to get pggoodeveryday.com and get those OTC network coupons. Next up, we have regular Neutrogena facial care and the non-acne products. The acne products are spend 15, get 5, but the non-acne Neutrogena facial care is spend 10, get 4. So what I'm going to do this week is grab 2 of the Neutrogena Deep Clean Cleansers that are priced at $7.79. 2 of those should total me $15.58. I'm going to use a 3 out of 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT, and then we have 2 separate digital coupons that are both going to double dip and apply, a $2 off one and a $3 off two. So after the CRT and both digital coupons apply, you should be left to pay $7.58, earning back your $4 extra buck for spending $10 before coupons. Makes your final cost for the 2 Neutrogena cleansers just $3.58 for both, which is a good deal. And if your store is priced cheaper, which it probably is because my store is priced super, super high in like a wealthy neighborhood in Texas, you guys will probably owe even less than I do. Also, don't forget to submit products that are Johnson & Johnson branded items to the Care Club website, where you can submit your receipts with Johnson & Johnson products on them, including brands like Neutrogena and Aveeno that convert for points that you can redeem for gift cards. It works just like pnggoodeveryday.com, but it's lesser known, so I'll have that link to get some bonus points in the description box down below. Select P&G hair care items, including Head & Shoulders, are buy one get one 40% off this week, and buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So the scenario I came up with is grabbing 2 of these Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength. At my store, these are priced super high at $12.79. Some are on clearance. Make sure that the ones you get are not on clearance, because remember that clearance products do not give back extra bucks. So the 2 of these items should total $20.46 at my store's price of $12.79, and buy one get one 40% off. I'm going to use a 4 off 14 Head & Shoulders CRT and a 3 off 2 digital coupon that applies to the Clinical Strength Head & Shoulders. I should be left to pay $13.46, earning back my $4 extra buck, plus I can submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each of the Head & Shoulders Clinical Strength, getting it back a total of $6 on Ibotta, making my final cost just $3.46 for both Head & Shoulders items, which is amazing. Plus I can submit my receipt for some bonus points on pnggoodeveryday.com, since I'm buying P&G hair care items on this receipt. And if you guys don't already have the Ibotta rebate app, it's linked in the description box down below to get a $5 bonus when you sign up. If you don't want to grab the Head & Shoulders, instead you can grab the $5.29 priced Aussie 3-Minute Miracles. You're going to grab 2 of those. They're buy one get one 40% off, totaling $8.46. You're going to get back a $4 extra buck for buying 2 of them, making your final cost just $4.46 for both. No coupons or rebates required. Colgate mouthwash are buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck this week, and the toothpaste are buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So what you could do is grab 2 of the Colgate mouthwash priced at $5.79 each, at least at my store, and then 2 of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $5.49. Those 4 items would total you $22.56, and you could use a 3 off 18 Colgate CRT. And then we have 2 separate 4 off 2 digital coupons, a 4 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste and a 4 off 2 for the Colgate mouthwash. So with the CRT and those 2 digital coupons, you should be able to pay $11.56, earning back a total of $7 in extra bucks, 4 for buying 2 of the mouthwash and 3 for buying 2 of the toothpaste, making your final cost just $4.56 for all 4 items. Not the best deal, but if you're in need of some oral care, it's a decent deal. Caliber tape, again, is buy 3 get back a $5 extra bucks. You could grab 3 of the $209 priced clear tape, totaling $6.27, earn back your $5 extra buck, making 3 of them just $1.27, or you can grab the more expensive packing tape for $2.49. Both of those would be a great deal after extra buck. Sally Hansen is spend 8 get back a $2 extra bucks. You could grab 1 of the instant dry nail polish that are $7.99. With a 98% rule, that would be at least enough to $8 to get back your $2 extra buck. And you can use the $4 instant CRT that everyone got this week as well, so you'd be left to pay $3.99. Earning back your $2 extra buck would make it just $1.99 for the instant dry nail polish. We got an instant CRT for Revlon this week of $4, and the cheapest Revlon item are the emery boards priced at $4.79 at my store. So you could grab this item for just 79 cents after that CRT, and it'd be a great item to throw into like a 10 off 70 CRT transaction. JOA Cosmetics this week are spend 15 get back a $10 extra buck, so that's a really great deal. No coupons required if you guys do like this makeup. And I know sometimes on the display there are TearPad manufacturer coupons, so be on the lookout for those as well. This week, CVS Health Vitamins are buy one get one free, and we have an amazing Ibotta rebate on select accounts for $3 back on CVS Health Vitamins up to a limit of 5. So what you could do is you could grab 2 of these vitamins with the buy one get one free sale price. It would total $4.99 for both. Then you'd submit to Ibotta for $3 back on each one, getting back a total of $6, making 2 of them $1.01 moneymaker. But if your store has enough in stock, you could actually grab 4 of the $4.99 priced vitamins and it would be buy one, get one free for each set of 2 that you buy. So 4 of them would total you just $9.98. You'd submit to Ibotta for a total of $12 back, $3 back for each one that you bought, and 4 of them would be a $2.02 moneymaker. So it's an amazing deal on vitamins this week if you have these CVS branded Ibotta rebates. I didn't have them on my account. My boyfriend had them on his account, so it seems like Ibotta accounts that are less frequently used end up getting these like CVS branded Ibotta rebates. I recommend having a separate Ibotta account on your significant other's phone. They do crack down if you have 2 accounts on your same device, but just make sure that you keep your account separate. Then you can check their Ibotta rebates, and a lot of the time they'll have more rare Ibotta rebates than frequently used Ibotta accounts do. So I always check my boyfriend's account for higher value rebates, and if they are higher value, I'll submit my receipts to his account rather than my own. Next up, we have a good deal on these CVS Health probe covers. It's actually a moneymaker deal. We have $5 CVS Health thermometer rebates on Ibotta on select accounts. Again, my boyfriend's Ibotta account has those as well. So what you can do is grab 2 of the CVS Health probe covers. They're $5.79. They're buy one, get one 50% off this week. So 2 of them would total $8.68. You're going to get back a total of $10 on Ibotta, $5 for each one that you buy, making 2 of them a $1.31 moneymaker. And since the buy one, get one 50% off sale price is unlimited and the Ibotta rebate is a limit of 5, the best deal would actually be to grab 4 of these if your store has enough in stock, and then it would end up being a $2.63 moneymaker for 4 of them after 4 $5 Ibotta rebates back. CVS Health cough and cold medicine are buy one, get one 50% off. The cheapest items that my store had were at $6.79 for like the CVS Health Robitussin. So 2 of them would total $10.18, and you can submit to Ibotta for $3.50 back on each one that you buy. So if I buy 2 of them at buy one, get one 50% off, it would give me back a total of $7 back from Ibotta, making my final cost for 2 of these just $3.18, which is a really awesome deal. That's all I had for you guys this week. I didn't actually end up buying anything just because I didn't think the deals were that good this week, and I kind of just wanted to get in and out of the store during this holiday week. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video if you do decide to go couponing this week. Make sure you guys are following me on all my other social media, including Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at kaylakoupons, and I will catch you guys next Sunday.